Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tommy Petrojanis, president of the eSignLive division at VASCO, and Guillaume Texeron is also with us, the product manager at VASCO. And today he plays someone who's going to be applying for a loan because he's upset his wife a bit. So we'll walk through how this actually happens. What we're going to introduce here today is something transformational when it comes to interacting with your mobile customers. And there's three things, hopefully, that you can walk away with. Number one, we make it easy to have more value provided to your mobile customers, because they are the most valuable, profitable customers interacting with you. Number two, we provide an ideal user experience with best-in-class security that's seamless. I want to show you how we do that. And number three, we can actually make it fun to have your customers applying for some sort of financial instrument, while at the same time ensuring that the entire process is compliant, because we provide a personalized digital experience that's optimized for that user base. So today, here at Finovate in Europe, we're introducing Smile and Sign. It's an innovative mobile solution that leverages our digital trust platform to deliver this security seamlessly. So if we switch over to our iPad here, Guillaume's going to start applying for a loan. He's actually an existing customer with my bank. He had a bit of a row with his wife, and he was saying, we need to go on a bit of a vacation. Now, what's already happened here, just by launching the app, our process and our digital trust platform has started to do its magic. This will look really, really easy. Guillaume will be able to apply for and get approved for that loan in under 60 seconds. So just by starting it, as you see over there, the platform validated that the device is secure. He had to do nothing for it or interact in any way. It actually made sure that the device wasn't jailbroken, there was no malware on the system. So right from the get-go, the system is secure. So then we also started the fraud analytics portion of this process. So we're looking at his behavior. Is this an iPad that he normally uses? Is he in a region where he normally comes from? So we're building up a confidence score as the process evolves. So now he's ready to apply for that loan. He's in the comfort of his own home. And right at the bottom, you'll see that apply for a personal loan. It's a new feature that his bank added. So off he goes. He selects that. And he's asked to enter in an amount. So he enters what he thinks will make a very good vacation for himself and his wife. Looks like he's going to go somewhere nice like Tahiti, maybe, for that kind of money. Fantastic. So what's already happened now is because Guillaume is an existing customer to the bank, all his information has been pre-populated. But here's where the power comes in. This is a regulated environment. We live in a regulated world. So all the documents have to be presented accurately. So we make navigation easy, from being able to select icons on the side to where you have to sign to pinch and zoom. And the workflow rules of our eSignLive component are ensuring that this process is being done in a compliant fashion. You have to enter the correct information. You can't avoid skipping a step and then end up with an incompliant or incomplete transaction. So this is all happening seamlessly behind the scenes. And he's selecting, he's finishing up the last few choices. Meanwhile, we've been recording everything he's been doing. Every page he saw, how long he saw it for, what actions he took, where he was coming in from, is all being recorded and building up this confidence score for the process. So now Guillaume's ready to sign, but just to show you how we introduce biometrics into this, I'm going to try and pretend to be Guillaume. So it's going to look at me. And if you notice, it failed. I'm definitely not as good looking as Guillaume. I'm not the same guy at all. And also the liveness feature was involved here, so that it was actually looking for blinking, facial movement, not just a static picture. I couldn't have used Guillaume's picture to authenticate myself. So now Guillaume's going to continue and actually complete this process. Much better. And he smiled. And now he just needs to sign it. The signature here is optional, obviously. You can just have a selfie. You can have a fingerprint biometric with a signature. You can have a facial biometric with a signature, or a click to sign. But because these are documents in a regulated environment, people traditionally expect to see that handwritten signature. So it just makes it easy to adopt and interface with the real world today. So he's completed this application. He submits it. Our fraud scoring engine on the back end is completing that scoring process. And he's been instantly approved for those £8,000 directly in his account. It looked easy. It was quick. And that's by design. All that security is happening under the hood, or under the bonnet, since we're here in the UK. So what happened here? We're able to deliver a seamless security solution on top of an extremely easy-to-use interface that's optimized for that mobile channel. In under 1 minute, he applied for a loan from the comfort of his own home and got approved. Meanwhile, underneath the hood, we had our DigiPass for App solution that was making sure the application and the device were secure. We had the biometrics pieces that ensured the user identity properly happened. We had the eSignLive engine that was ensuring the workflow and the process got executed properly and presented in an easy-to-use fashion. And we had our risk manager that was scoring the process along the entire spectrum of that transaction. So you can integrate these solutions into your banking app in under 1 hour. You can provide best-of-class security for any sort of process that interfaces with the customer. So if you're upselling products or selling new products to your customers, this makes it easy. And why is this important? According to Fiserv, mobile customers buy twice as many products and services from financial institutions than traditional non-mobile customers. So if you want to try Smile and Sign for yourself, come over to our booth, and look, I'm going to give you guys 45 seconds back. So in exchange, vote for us if you think this is pretty cool. And we had to have a little prop that Guillaume absolutely hates. So come and try Smile and Sign at our booth for us. Thanks a lot. Have a great show.